Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Let's do a motorway drive, shall we? I haven't done one of them in a short while. I've done dual carriageways, but I haven't done motorways, so we'll go from Cheriton to Ashford. It's a lovely sunny day, so yeah, it should be a pleasant enough journey. It's balmy 26 degrees out there today, so I've got the aircon on. Probably the reason for doing a drive, just sit in a cool car. Cool as in temperature wise. Not the squeak going on. It's not that cool. There's been a road accident over there. Side swipe of a car. Somebody's Sunday ruined. Right, onto the motorway. Motorway regulations apply. So technically, no stopping anytime. Blue lights. Simple thing with a route like this, you can just sit in the inside lane. I'm doing, what am I doing, 66 miles an hour? I don't feel the need to rush. That actually makes the drive quite pleasant. Might build up a traffic up ahead, so I'm going to increase my speed to 70, get past the truck. I nearly pulled out. I could have pulled out, I suppose. Is pulling in, so I can get in the inside lane again. We've got some cars coming in off the slip road. Quite a few, so I'll move out. Nice clear run, eh? I've got a car coming up behind me, but I'm approaching the truck, so keep the indicator on so that he can know what I'm doing and I can move out. Same situation again, approaching that car. Just let the car behind know that I'm coming out. He's moved out into the outside lane. Funky looking V-dub. A multi-van. I suppose that means it can be a van and a van. Yeah, if you're watching my videos in sequence, you might notice the old goatee's gone. It was driving me crazy. I suppose you've got to trim them on a regular basis. I wanted to test it out, see how long it would take me to grow. It took about 4 weeks. And I may let it grow again. But this time, keep it really trimmed. It was like growing, and I was nibbling from the whiskers. Might be a winter thing. Do a Father Christmas, eh? I think I'll come off at junction 9, which is the second junction. Because I'm going onwards to Headcorn to do some photography, so that would be the best place to, be if I'm in Ashford. Van is pulling off. didn't pull out because of the car, but you know, could have waited. Just keep your wits about you on the motorway. Everything changes within seconds. It's actually quite busy, this section. One mile to my junction makes me think, do I pull in behind the Fiesta or the truck? Can I pass the truck in time? Is the traffic build-up going to cause congestion? I see a lot of brake lights going on. I shall pull in here. I'll just ride this lane till we come off the motorway. Saves all the hassle of trying to work out, you know, if I'm in that lane and then I'm trying to cross. And now I have to consider any cars coming up on my right, quickly deciding to get in this lane. So give them space, basically. We've got speed restrictions of 50 up ahead because of the speed cameras, but now we're doing 35. And I guess it's that impact based on anticipation of slowing down from fast speed and it concertinas. Is that the word? Concertina? Right, I want to go towards Charing, so I'm going to get in this lane so that I can go round the roundabout. I'm not driving all the way there. Tenterden A20 Maidstone, it says in the road. Charing and Lenham on the right hand lane. Nice, all the lights are changing as we get here. And now not so much. People tooting, and it's not a place. Right, I'll pull into this little housing estate just to end the video. I'm going straight on. I might do another driving video today, just because I'm out and about, you know, knock them out. Funny how they build these little housing estates, make them look like some kind of Dickensian abode. I'll just pull up here and stop. This video may go out or it may not go out because there was a lot of squeaking there and I don't know if I'll be able to edit it out, but nonetheless we got a motorway drive in Cheriton to Ashford. Pretty straightforward, but with a few things to look out for. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.